are so excited. Please help us. I will really appreciate if you turn off your cell phones. And welcome to our performance. It's about the rainbow fish, most favorite story of your children. I'm sorry. Miss Joanna will start. Okay.
Once upon a time in the deep blue sea there lived a large group of koalas and shells. In fact, there live many interesting sea creatures.
The shark in the sea goes
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Chomp, chomp, chomp. The shark in the sea goes chomp, chomp, chomp. All through the day. The fish in the sea goes swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. Swim, swim, swim. The
She was a big dancer.
Deep blue sea is the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. Shade of blue, green feathers, like sparkling silver scales among them. Yellow fish were named after beauty. They call them rainbow fish. Hi, rainbow fish, come and play with us. What a rainbow fish, fly past around the tail shimmer. Rainbow fish, wait for me, I just want one skip. You have so many and they're so beautiful. You want me to give you one of my special skills? Who do you think you are? Get away from me. Skills just want to play with you. Starfish. I'm so beautiful. Why does not anybody like me?
I cannot answer that for you, but if you go to a deep cave, you'll find a wise octopus. Maybe he can help you.
The rainbow fish found a cave. It was very dark and she couldn't see anything. Suddenly, the octopus emerged from the darkness.
I have been waiting for you. The waves have told me your story. This is my advice. Forgive us those who eat fish. You may not be so beautiful, but you will deserve hunting happy.
I can never give my skills. Never. How can I ever be happy without them? Rainbow fish, please don't be angry. I just want one little scale. Maybe one little scale. I got this. Thank you very much. I got the scale.
so much for such a beautiful costume. Special thanks to my wonderful friends, Miss Joanna and Miss Becca. Miss Christina, thank you so much. Without you, it wouldn't be like such productive. Special thanks to Tamar who came in such a beautiful rainbow fish. And to all of you, because look at this. They're so happy. Thank you so much for coming. I hope you enjoyed it so much. Thank you.